Good afternoon to all of you. Yesterday I have already started this chapter matrices, chapter 3rd. I have already explained the introduction, types of matrices, then you can note down. Now you can see exercise 3.1. Question number 1, a matrix is given, then write the order of the matrix. I have already explained what is the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix, always we can write down number of rows multiplied by number of columns. Now see how many rows are there. This horizontal lines known as rows. This is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, and there are 4 columns. Vertical lines known as column. Then what is the order of this matrix? We can say order of this matrix is 3 cross 4. In this way you can write down 1 marks question. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 4. Number of elements. Then how many elements are there? The multiplication of the order is known as number of elements. Then we can say number of elements equal to 12. You can count, or directly you can say 3 into 4 equal to 12. Now third part of this question, write the elements A13. What is the meaning of A13? 1 represent the first row and 3 represent the column. A13 means you have to find the element which belongs to first row and third column. First row and third column. This implies that A13 equal to 19. Similarly, you can find the other elements. Now see question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order? Now you can see possible orders are, we can say 24 elements, then we can write down 24 into 1. This implies that this represents rows and this represents columns. How many rows are there? 24. In this way, 1, 2, 3 up to 24. You can make a matrix in this way. What is the order of this matrix? 24 into 1. Similarly, you can make another matrix 1 into 24. What is the meaning of this? 1 row and 24 columns. This is the column. In this way you can make 1, 2, 3 up to 24. Order is 1 into 24. 1 row and 24 columns. Similarly, you can make 12 into 2. Another matrix. You can make another matrix 2 into 12. Order of the matrix is 2 into 12. Then how many elements will be there? 24. Similarly, 8 into 3 and 3 into 8. Similarly, 6 into 4 and 4 into 6. Now see question number 4. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. In this way you can make a 2 cross 2 matrix. A11, A12, A21, A22. And what condition is given? Given Aij in question number 4 equal to I plus j whole square upon 2. Then you can put I equal to 1, j equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 square upon 2. Then you will get 2. This element is 2. A12. How we can find A12? Put I equal to 1, j equal to 2. Then you will get 3 square upon 2. Means 9 by 2. Here second element will be 9 by 2. A21. Put I equal to 2, j equal to 1. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. Then this is again 9 by 2. Then A22. Put I equal to 2, j equal to 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square 16. 16 by 2. This equal to 8. In this way, you can make a matrix of order 2 cross 2. You can write down the element A11, A12, A21, A22. Put I equal to 1, j equal to 1 here. Put I equal to 2, j equal to 2 here. Then you can find the elements. Similarly, you can solve the other part of this question. Similarly, you can solve question number 5. Simple question is there. Now see question number 6. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equation. If two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements should be equal. We can write down here first part, y equal to 4, z equal to 3, x equal to 1. Similarly, you can solve the second and third part. Corresponding elements are equal. Here you can write down x plus y equal to 6, 5 plus z equal to 5. This implies that z equal to 0. Then you can find the other value of x and y. Similarly, you can solve question number 7. Find the values of A, B, C, D from the given equation. If two matrices are equal, this implies that corresponding elements also equal. You can write down A minus B equal to minus 1, 2A plus C, 2A plus C equal to 5, 2A minus B equal to 0, 3C plus D equal to 13. And first equation A minus B equal to minus 1. With the help of these equations, you can find the value of A, B, C and D. This question generally 2 marks question in board examination. Now see next question number 8. if it is a square matrix, I have already explained, a matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows equal to number of column. This implies that m equal to n. This C part is correct. Now see ninth part, which of the given value of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal. You can see here. After simplifying, you can check which condition satisfy. Now see question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3. You can see 3 cross 3 matrix is there. Suppose A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. What is the given condition? Each entry should be 0 or 1. Here we can take either 0 or 1. Here also we can take 0 or 1. Here also we can take 0 or 1. Then here two values we can take either 0 or 1. Then 2 raised to 9. How we can write 2 raised to 9? Because any value we can put here either 0 or 1. Similarly here, then any matrix you can find in this way. All the entries are 0. You will get another matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then how many such matrices are there? 2 raised to 9. Why we are taking 9 here? Because 9 elements are there. In this way we can arrange. Here we can element in how many ways? 2 ways. In here also 2 ways. Here also 2 ways, and last here also we can write in 2 ways. Then total ways are 2 raised to 9 means 512. This is the solution. 512 means D part is correct. Now today you can complete this exercise 3.1 also.